I've been batching out a lot of boxes recently, and they all have typical miter joints, but I was thinking about it. I haven't done box joints in a while, so it might be fun to do something with that. And I happen to have this piece of figured walnut, and it's hard to see on camera, but it is incredible. And I think it would be great to make this into some sort of box lid. So what I'm envisioning is a pencil box design with box joints, have this as the lid, maybe do some sort of metal inlay for your thumb and use that to pull the lid in and out. For the actual construction of the box, I was thinking rosewood. I've never used it before, and Jake Dispro from Dispro Designs gave me a piece of it, so I can use a little bit of that. I think it just would complement the walnut really well. Let's try that.
I'll give you all of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby. Cross my heart and hope to die. Mobile phone, expensive shoes, you can get your own. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die. So close, and I don't wanna take you traveling the world, but I gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'll give you all of what I've got. The fancy finds, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, baby. Cross my heart and hope to die. Mobile phone, expensive shoes, you can get your own. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die.
As you can see, this piece of rosewood was salvaged from a fire, but we got some really awesome pieces out of it. So this is what I've got, and some of them I did have to fill with some black CA glue. There were some cracks, some voids in it, but the black actually looks really cool with this grain. I like it a lot. So now it's time to make the box joints. What I'm thinking is, when I put them together here, I'm thinking 3 fingers. So having a finger on the bottom and on the top of the long piece, and then have a finger in the middle for the short piece. So I'll do these over at the table saw, and I think I'll start with the tall pieces. I'll cut out the section here in the middle, and then I can butt it up against the small one, transfer my lines, and then sneak up on the fit by cutting these. So there we go. We got box joints. We did it on the table saw. This is looking really cool. I can't believe that we salvaged a piece of rosewood that was just burned in a fire. So that's really awesome. And we got the bottom glued up. I want to let this dry overnight before we mill this down to its final size. And then we'll get back in the shop tomorrow. We'll get the lid in there. We'll get the bottom in there. And I'll think about what type of finish I want to put on this thing. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll see whenever I post a video finishing this thing up. And please share this video if you know somebody who might enjoy this sort of content. Until we meet again, get in your shop and build something awesome.